Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be making Hamentashen for Purim. Alright, let's get started. First ingredient is 2 eggs. You beat the eggs. I'm going like an omelet right now. Alright, 8 eggs. 4 cups of sugar. Half a cup of oil. Teaspoon and a half of baking powder. And the vanilla. We are going to mix this together. Alright, now once your mixture is all mixed together, we are going to add the flour. Just going to keep on adding more and more flour until the batter becomes soft and pillowy.
If you don't remember the nutcake video, which maybe you didn't watch yet, I was in it.
And we have our pillow. Look at that. Okay, so now we are going to make some balls, flatten them out, put jam inside, and then fold them over to make Hamentashen. Let's get started. We are going to now fill Hamentashen with jam. Time to put these in the oven. Alright, batch number 2 into the oven. Guys, we have our finished results. Oh my god! So exciting. This is actually the first time I'm making this recipe, and it turns out pretty good. Like, look at that. Alrighty. Anyways, I wish you a happy Purim, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!